What if you could make the easiest and best tasting smoked meats, salmon, and seafood in one compact device and be the hero to your family and friends? Ordinary outdoor grill smokers are heavy and difficult to use. On the other hand, typical small smoke infusers aren't enough to make good smoked foods. We looked for a smoker that could be used anywhere, indoors or outdoors, small kitchen or garden, and would make it easy for anyone to become a pitmaster. The solution is Smoker X. Smoker X can make 3 types of smoked foods in one device and can be used indoors or out. Hot smoking, cold smoking, or water smoking. It is no surprise that basic hot smoking can easily produce delicious bacon and smoked steak, but the best is yet to come. Smoker X's unique design includes an optional saucer that allows you to smoke with ice cubes or liquid. A special construction creates a smoke pathway between the mainframe and the saucer. By completely separating heat and smoke, you can make tender and flavorful smoked salmon. By pouring wine into the saucer, the smoke and wine vapors are absorbed, resulting in juicy spare ribs or chicken, cheese, nuts, oysters with olive oil, or seafood. It's very easy to use. Just put some wood chips, light the fire, put your favorite food on, and wait for the smoke to come out. You can access hundreds of smoke recipes on our website, so there's always something new to try. A thermometer is included to help you control the heat. It's a great way to enjoy the outdoors and make you the star of your next home party. Smoker X is compatible with all stovetops, including gas, induction, and electric. Although smokers are by their very nature prone to rust, Smoker X is made of sturdy, rust-resistant 3-ply materials that can withstand hard, repeated use. It's also easy to clean up and is dishwasher safe. We tested thousands of designs and prototypes to invent the best grill for you. But Smoker X doesn't just boast beautiful design. It combines the functions of a 3-way smoker while staying compact and not sacrificing function. Cheap cookware may indeed be tempting, but in the end, it quickly becomes garbage. We at Kiwamiate value sturdiness and long use, even if the price is a little higher. It's not only more economical, it's good for the planet too. Our brand name, Kiwamiate, means ultimate taste in Japanese. Back our project today.